Oh my God. These things are dirty, man. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna clean these damn things. Welcome back, YouTube. If you're new to the channel, I am the One Man Click, and this is Sneaker Adventures. Like to treat my feet, finest leather and rubber. Another one like me, I promise you there's no other. Keep the swoosh and the stripes, alligator and ostrich. Shoe game on point, so every day I got options. Fresh starts from my feet, then I work my way up. And before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure I hit that like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when all the new content drops. Now let's get on. Now in today's episode of Sneaker Adventures, we are going to do a cleaning. Or there's going to be somewhat of a tutorial on how to clean your kicks, but we're going to use a different product. And the product we're going to use today is Angelus Easy Clean Kit. You know what I mean? Now, if you're new to the sneaker game and sneaker world, there's a lot of various products out there that clean your sneakers. Everybody's got their go-to and which ones they like. I did a previous one on the Crep Protect Cure, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave the link to that right here, and I'll leave it in the description so you can check it out. But today we're going to be working with the Angelus Direct Cleaning Kit. Okay, so let's get started. Let's check it out. Now this is the Angelus product. You see it comes in, kind of a plain box, but you know what I mean. You can't judge a book by its cover, so we're gonna try it out. Okay. Let's open the box up, see what's inside. As you can see, it comes with a easy clean. You know what I mean? I use some of it up, so don't judge, but I'm still gonna do the video for y'all. Comes with a cloth. You know what I mean? Angelus, you know what I mean? Gotta get the mark. And it comes with a nice brush, look at that. I like that gold and that wood grain, shit looks nice. Alright, let's get started. Aside from your cleaning kit, you're gonna need some warm water and you're gonna need some dirty kicks to clean them with. Okay, so as you can see, got the warm water, and we're just gonna add a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. You know what I mean? You don't really need a lot. Okay, and you're just gonna splash it around a little bit. Oh, yeah, don't forget the clicks. Now today I'm gonna clean up these Jordan slides. As you can see, they're dirty. Dirty, you know what I mean? A little worn, but I love these things. They were given as a gift, so I gotta really, keep them clean and stuff, you know what I mean? So we're gonna clean these, all right? So after you get your water, okay. We'll get our brush. And give it a good rub, good scrub. See how it gets real lathery and soapy? See that? It gets real lathery, which is real, that's a good thing. In a clockwise or counterclockwise motion is when we're gonna scrub. I really like how it's got a lot of suds on it. You know what I mean? To me, that's a good sign. It's cleaning it right. You know what I mean? Okay. Now you're gonna wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Now, you may need to do this as many times as you need to get it right. You know what I mean? But For the first time, you know, my first go around, look at it. It's not that bad. Okay, but we're gonna give it another cleaning, so. As you can see, way big difference. Big difference, you know what I mean? So I really like this. Look at all that dirt that was on there. So you know it worked. Shit, even made the table cleaner. Now you see the difference? So it did a good job. Now we're on slide number 2, so giving it that good scrubbing. You know what I mean? It's a big difference from the way it was before. Now, like I said, if you want to stay fresh, it's very important that you clean your kicks. It can't be dirty. You gotta stay fly, gotta stay fresh. You know what I mean? Now, like I said, for me, for this product, I really like the way, you know, the brush came out. You could really handle it real good. You know what I mean? It doesn't slip out of your hand, regardless of it being made out of wood. You know what I mean? But those gold letters, you know, put a good touch to it. And the cleaner has no scent. You know what I mean? And if you want to know what I mean by that, make sure you check out the other video. You're gonna like it. All right. All in all, I like it. You know what I mean? I like that the rag is like a dark color, because if it was like a lighter color, you could really tell the dirt. And it's kind of hard having something like this around and people see it dirty and then you don't have time to wash it. So you know what I mean? This dark color fabric to wipe down your kicks is a good thing. I really like that. That's a plus. You know what I mean? And it did real good cleaning the shoe. I didn't have no problem. Like, I didn't really have to go in there too deep. It cleaned it pretty good. Besides being a white, a white shoe. I mean, a white slipper or whatever it is. It did good. You know what I mean? And this one, it didn't get like water, everything everywhere. I mean, it handled pretty well. And like I said, it didn't get nothing everywhere. It didn't make me a mess, a huge mess. You know what I mean? But it cleaned everything. Fantastic. You know what I mean? This is definitely something that you want to use if you're at home. You know what I mean? If you're on the go, it's kind of hard because, like I said, you could keep it in the box, but the box is cardboard. So after a while, this is gonna fall apart or whatever. Because, like I said, this is definitely a product you want to use at home. As far as taking it on the road and traveling with you, you can. But like I said, everything is separate. You know what I mean? And it's hard to keep it all in one spot. You know what I mean? So, like I said, I recommend the product. It's good to clean. It cleans your kicks good. You know what I mean? It does a great job of cleaning your shoes, your sneakers, whatever. You know what I mean? I just tried it on some slides, but I'm pretty sure it work on some kicks too. You know what I mean? So this is definitely a product I would recommend. But like I said, you can't take it on the road with you. So if you're real busy and you on the road and trying to clean them, it's not a good thing to have with you, because like I said, it's loose everywhere and it doesn't, it's gonna be hard for you to like gather everything. It's not all in one spot, you know what I mean? Unless you can find a case to put it in, then yeah. But Angelus Direct, I do recommend this product. It does clean your kicks, and look at that. If it's got a lot of suds in there. So as you saw in the video, when you scrub them, the suds really come out. You know what I mean? So that, to me, that makes me feel like it's doing its job. You know what I mean? And here's the end result. Here's the end result. Came out cleaner than they were before. Like I said, you scrub and wipe everything down as needed. So if you need to do it one time and it works like that, you're satisfied with that, do it one time. But if you need to keep doing it, don't be afraid to keep doing it. And now if you gotta do it way more than 7 times or something like that, that's ridiculous. But like I said, you scrub and wipe as needed. Now if you want to try this product out and you want to see what it does for you, yeah, you can get it on Amazon, you can get it on Angelus Direct, you know what I mean, the direct website. I'll leave all that in the description if you want to, try this out. Like I said, I do recommend the product. It did a good job for me. If you want to see what it does for you, I'll leave the link in the description to where you can get it. And yeah, man, appreciate you. Well, that was my how-to and my tutorial and my introduction on how to use the Angelus Easy Cleaner kit. You know what I mean? So if you like this video and you want to see more like it, make sure you hit the like button, drop me a comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop new content. You know what I mean? And this is the One Man Click. This is Sneaker Adventures. I appreciate the love and support everybody's giving me with this channel. And like I said, I salute everybody who's sharing these videos. So if you haven't, share this video with a sneakerhead, share it with someone that likes to stay fresh. You know what I mean? Till next time, man. Sneaker Adventures, One Man Click.